Welcome to everyone. This is our second lecture on string theory. If you don't watch other lecture, then I put link in description so you can go and watch. And now I decide to make a small lectures. N- I I make lecture in detail but small so you can easily learn. So in second lecture we see unification of force in string theory. So let's see. Uh, Hand in hand with the question of quantum gravity, string theory attempts to unify the four forces in the universe. You know that there are four fundamental forces in our universe. First, the electromagnetic force. Second, strong nuclear force. Third, weak nuclear force. And fourth, our gravity. So, in our universe, this fundamental force appears as a four different phenomena. But string theorists believe that the earlier universe, these forces are all described by string interaction with each other. And here, earlier universe means where the universe is very incredibly high on energy level. So this is the very small topic in string theory. Thank you and have a good day.